Hello kids, let's learn some color name. See green color, blue color, pink color, yellow color, red color, light green color, sky blue color, black color, purple color, brown color, orange color, white color, purple color. A is for apple, yellow color. B is for ball, pink color. C is for car, sky blue color. D is for dog, sea green color. E is for elephant, red color. F is for frog, sea green color. G is for grapes. H is for hen. I is for igloo. J is for joker. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for mango. N is for nose. O is for onion. P is for pumpkin. Q is for queen. R is for rose. S is for sun. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for watermelon. X is for Xmas tree. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zoo. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 0, 10. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks for watching.